Welcome to my review of DexTools.io, a popular platform for crypto traders. If you're into cryptocurrency or DeFi trading, you've probably heard of DexTools. It provides a range of charting tools, real-time data, and analytics to help you make more informed decisions when trading. Upon first entering the site, DexTools greets you with a sleek and intuitive interface. The main dashboard offers a wide variety of options for tracking different coins and tokens across various decentralized exchanges. One of the standout features of DexTools is the detailed charting system, which allows you to track price movements, volume, and market depth for each asset in real time. It's designed with both beginners and advanced traders in mind, giving you the flexibility to explore a variety of technical indicators. The platform also allows you to connect to several decentralized exchanges, DEXs, like Uniswap and PancakeSwap. This feature is essential for traders who focus on DeFi, as it provides direct access to liquidity pools without having to switch between different platforms. If you look closely, you'll find that DexTools also has a very useful token tracking system. You can save your favorite assets and create custom watch lists to monitor their price movements closely. This is especially helpful if you're dealing with a variety of altcoins and want to stay on top of the market without getting overwhelmed. DexTools offers a wide array of chart customization options. Whether you're looking to change time frames, add different technical indicators like RSI or MACD, or toggle between different chart types, DexTools gives you the flexibility to tailor your view to your trading strategy. The real-time market depth feature is also fantastic, giving you insight into buy and sell orders across different exchanges. This allows you to make informed decisions and potentially spot market inefficiencies. One of the most interesting aspects of DexTools is its integration with the community. The platform has an active Telegram group and social media channels where traders discuss their strategies and share insights. This creates an added layer of social proof and helps you stay informed about market trends. Many useful links can be found in the description, including additional resources and guides on using DexTools to its full potential. If you're someone who values real-time information and easy access to various DeFi exchanges, DexTools.io is definitely worth checking out. However, it might take some time to get used to the layout if you're new to crypto trading. It's important to spend time learning how to navigate the platform before diving into serious trades. Overall, DexTools is a solid platform for any crypto trader who wants advanced tools and deep market data at their fingertips. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tips on crypto trading tools.